Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace ball joints on a Ford F150. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, and a specialized ball joint press kit. Always ensure your truck is securely lifted and supported on a flat, stable surface. For safety, remember to disconnect the negative terminal of your vehicle's battery before you begin any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Now, let's get to the removal process. Start by taking off the wheel, then carefully unbolt and secure the brake caliper and rotor. Next, you'll need to separate the tie rod end and the upper control arm from the steering knuckle. With these components out of the way, use your ball joint press tool to extract both the old upper and lower ball joints from their respective positions. Take your time to ensure proper tool usage. With the old parts removed, it's time for installation. First, thoroughly clean the bores in the steering knuckle where the new ball joints will sit. Then, using your ball joint press, carefully install the new upper and lower ball joints, ensuring they are seated correctly. Reattach the upper control arm and the tie rod end to the knuckle, making sure all fasteners are hand-tightened for now. This step is crucial for proper alignment. To finish up, reinstall the brake rotor caliper and the wheel assembly. It's vital to torque all nuts and bolts to the manufacturer's exact specifications for safety and performance. Finally, and this is very important, you must get a professional wheel alignment done immediately after replacing your ball joints. This ensures your vehicle drives straight and prevents premature tire wear. You've done a great job.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.